Traffic.
Because it's fall. That's why. Okay, recording? We're recording? Hey everybody. Can you see me over there? Can you see me? I know it's kind of, you're thinking to yourself, what is all this? Well, simply put, this is my overnight bag. Why does it look this way? Well, I'm going on reserve in the fall. In the fall. It's October, and I'm going on reserve. That means I have no idea where they could send me. So I have to pack for everything. A good captain prepares, and he plans in advance. And make sure he has everything he needs to get the job done. Take a look at what we got here. We got it. Whew. All right. Well, my winter coat just fell on the floor over there. But let's see what we got here. I have my running shoes right there in case I'm going to go jogging. I have up front there, I have sandals in case I go to Florida and I want to walk on the beach. But over there, also in the front, I have a winter boot in case I find myself in North Dakota or somewhere in Vancouver, or maybe in Vancouver it's not too cold, but Winnipeg, somewhere where it's snowing and cold. I have a long sleeve red sweater. I have Hawaiian shirts over there. I have a bathing suit over there as well. I have a Santa hat right here in case I don't come back till Christmas because we're getting close. I know it's almost 2 months away, but with crew scheduling, you'll never know. I have beads in case I get stuck in New Orleans during Mardi Gras. I have a handheld radio transceiver up there up front in case my radio breaks down because a good captain prepares and thinks ahead. And if I have over here, it's very important. I have bear spray. Bear spray in case I overnight somewhere in the mountains of Colorado and we are attacked by a wild grizzly. I will protect and defend my ship till the end. And I have a wooden fork because you never know when you have to whack your FO upside the head. I am not advocating that you resort to physical violence with your FOs. I'm just saying that sometimes you have to resort to physical violence with your FOs. Point is, it's the fall, and I don't have any room for all of this, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I never know. I have no space. I give. And we're supposed to pack it all in one bag. My bear spray's expired. Now I gotta go get more bear spray. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video about how to pack a bag for the fall. This is that part of the video where I send you over to my pilot shop, trying to sell you stuff, but that's not what it is today. Not exactly. I'm still gonna send you to the pilot shop, but I want you to look past all the other products, and if you buy just one thing, make sure it's this sticker. Make sure it's the pink breast cancer awareness sticker from our pilot shop. It's a pink ribbon, says Speed Tape Airlines on it. And the reason this is important is because all the proceeds of this sticker, every single dime that we make off this sticker, gets donated to the American Breast Cancer Foundation. It does. So please help us out. It's the last day of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's October 31st. Happy Halloween. So please go to our pilot shop. Link is going to be here and it will be in the description of the video somewhere. And help us do a good deed. Thank you very much for watching. And happy Halloween! Buy some of the stickers. Thank you very much. You did good. Thanks. Not really. I mean, could you scratch like right the back of my throat? Yeah. Ah, yeah. You like that? Ah, yeah. Thank you. That's when you try to scratch the back of your throat with your tongue, it doesn't work. Yeah. I see. You got a hand in there, so it kind of helps. I know. It's kind of weird. It is weird. We're making it weird. Go buy the sticker.